Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Today my Ammu is going to make us a very yummy snack, or anything you like to call it. You can eat it anytime. She's making ghugni, that's what I call it, but in English I think it's a curry that is made up of chickpeas. Yeah, or choles, chickpeas or choles. Anyway, let's get out of the cooking. First, she used the onions and then she put the chilies in there. First, she boiled the choles in a pressure cooker. Then you can just stir it very quick. Then tomatoes, very quick. This is a very easy recipe and very yummy snack, like so good. Then you can put the salt, what is it, cumin and coriander powder, then red chili powder, ginger garlic paste, and give it a nice stir. Mix everything together so that like each and every bite we can have the flavor. Then add some more maybe turmeric. No, not turmeric, this is turmeric. It's something that's garam masala maybe. Anyway, I write it down for you. Then stir it and then put some I'll write it down for you. Anyway, then we can put our boiled choles and potatoes in there. Very nice. And then stir it together, add some water, and then stir it together, and it looks kind of like this. It already looks so good, right? Give it a nice stir and like cook for some time, unless like all the chickpeas have the flavor in them, and then we are done. It was so easy and it has so super tasty. And the serving, there's a different way of serving. First, put some of that ghugni in a bowl. Then put some cucumbers, onions, and chilies, coriander, and some of these. I hope you like this. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Masalama.